Look, you don't have to let schooling get in your way of your education. What if I told you there's a proven strategy that can help you get the result that you need in your IEs, your exams, or any exam that you're going to be taking with only just little of your time? Yes, you have questions, but just think about it. You have never ever been taught through all the 15 or 20 years that you've been in school. You've never been taught how to study. Active recall is that strategy. That's something I and my colleagues have been using since our university days. I mean, you walk into the exams with confidence, you write with confidence, and when the results come, oh yes, God is doing his part, but your part is also going to come in a big role. And yes, it works. I, Sarfo Carbell, I'm a newly proof to this study method. And during my days, I had a chance to explore to do many things. I picked up photography, videography, I picked up my YouTube channel, I picked up so many other things, and I was still able to come up with the first class. And I'm telling you that you can also do the same. Just come and let's learn this strategy. Let's learn how to apply this to our learning so that we can use just a little piece of our time to achieve this. Meet me this Thursday at the Presec AstroTurf, just opposite the UPSC Block A and B Bushel. And I will be there as long as many other people. Come and let's learn, let's fellowship, let's grow. Because there's a way that it seems right in the eyes of people, but actually leads to no reward. Come, and I'll see you there. Peace.